Welcome to Car Look Family. If you're a fan of speed, precision, and jaw-dropping style, then buckle up because today we're diving deep into the 2025 Mustang Shelby GT350. This isn't just another muscle car, it's a masterpiece of engineering, a beast on the track, and a head-turner on the streets. Ford has once again pushed the boundaries, delivering a car that embodies performance, heritage, and innovation. Now picture this, a car that blends the raw DNA of a race machine with the comforts of a modern-day cruiser. That's the 2025 GT350 for you. From its aggressive design to its roaring engine, every aspect of this car screams performance. Whether you're a seasoned track enthusiast or someone who simply loves the thrill of the open road, this Shelby is built to impress. Let's start with what grabs your attention right away, the design. The 2025 Mustang Shelby GT350 is a visual statement. Up front, the iconic Cobra emblem sits proudly on a revamped grille that's both functional and fierce. This isn't just for show, it maximizes airflow to the engine, keeping things cool when you're pushing the limits. The aerodynamics have been fine-tuned, featuring a sculpted hood with functional air vents and a rear spoiler that adds downforce at high speeds. From every angle, the GT350 looks ready to pounce. Its widened stance and flared fenders give it a muscular presence, while sleek LED headlights and taillights add a modern flair. And those wheels, oh man, they're a work of art. Lightweight, forged aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tires provide maximum grip, whether you're hugging tight corners or launching down a straightaway. The Brembo brakes, with their bright red calipers, not only look stunning, but offer unmatched stopping power. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that's all about the driver. The 2025 GT350 combines race-inspired elements with modern tech and comfort. The Recaro seats, wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, keep you firmly planted during aggressive driving while still offering long-distance comfort. The steering wheel is a masterpiece in itself, featuring a flat-bottom design and wrapped in soft-touch Alcantara for better grip. Behind it, a fully digital instrument cluster displays everything you need, from speed and RPMs to track-specific data. You can customize it to show different modes, whether you're on the street or the circuit. Ford hasn't skimped on technology either. The GT350 comes equipped with the latest Sync 4 system, featuring a large touchscreen that's responsive and intuitive. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can stay connected on the go. The premium sound system by Bang & Olufsen ensures that every drive is accompanied by crystal-clear audio, whether it's the roar of the engine or your favorite playlist. Now let's get to the part that every enthusiast wants to know about, the engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang Shelby GT350 packs a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter flat-plane crank V8, also known as the Voodoo engine. It produces a staggering 550 horsepower and 429 lb-h of torque, delivering exhilarating acceleration and an unmistakable exhaust note that sends shivers down your spine. This engine isn't just about raw power, it's a masterpiece of engineering. The flat-plane crank design allows for higher revs, giving the GT350 a unique character and a red line of 8,000 RPM. When you step on the gas, the response is immediate, and the sound is pure symphony. It's like having a race car that you can drive to the grocery store. The power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission, designed for precise and engaging shifts. If you're a fan of manual driving, this gearbox will make you fall in love all over again. The clutch is light but firm, providing excellent feedback, making every shift feel satisfying. And the driving dynamics? Simply put, this car is a track monster. The 2025 GT350 comes with Ford's Magna-Ride suspension system, which adjusts in real time to provide the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting apexes on a racetrack, the car feels planted and responsive. But what makes the GT350 truly special is its versatility. With multiple driving modes, you can tailor the car's performance to suit your mood. Switch to track mode and everything sharpens: the throttle response, steering weight, and even the exhaust note. Flip it back to comfort mode and you have a surprisingly refined ride, perfect for daily commutes or long road trips. On the track, the GT350 is in its element. The finely tuned chassis, lightweight components, and advanced aerodynamics work together to deliver lap times that rival dedicated sports cars. The steering is precise, giving you complete control and confidence, even at high speeds. The exhaust roars as you accelerate out of corners, and the brakes bite hard, ready for the next turn. Now, just because this car is a performance beast doesn't mean it skimps on safety. The 2025 Shelby GT350 comes with a suite of advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning. These systems ensure that you stay safe whether you're pushing the limits on the track or navigating city traffic. For those who want to take things even further, Dodge offers optional performance packages, including a track-featured setup with additional cooling systems and weight-saving components. There's also a carbon fiber track pack, which adds lightweight wheels, a larger rear wing, and carbon fiber interior trim. The 2025 Mustang Shelby GT350 is more than just a car. It's a legacy. Built on decades of racing history and continuous innovation, this Shelby captures the essence of what it means to be a true performance machine. It's a car that honors its past while looking boldly toward the future. Whether you're a die-hard Mustang fan or someone who craves an unparalleled driving experience, the GT350 delivers on all fronts. So, what do you think about this incredible machine? Is the 2025 Mustang Shelby GT350 your dream car? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CarLook, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our deep dives into the world's most exciting cars. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel.